can make videos all day long, but nothing can describe the heartache and the pain that I've gone through for 2 years, 3, I'm sorry. It is so sad that the very people that are meant to protect us are the same ones that harm us. I have so many records that have been tampered with, and guess what? And I'm having to do my own independent investigation. I've done my own investigation because these attorneys have either blocked, meaningful reviews. They've either filed something into the court with codes. They've either done, and it's so many of them, right? It's just sad. I have gone through this for my own insurance proceeds. A policy that I had that just got turned around with Mr. Grant, that just got turned around from greed and people who interjected themselves into the lawsuit, exactly what they said, right? And when they knew that I had that information, then now they've attacked me over and over, my property over and over. There's 21 different proceedings with these same attorneys for years. My business has been closed down. I had a brick and mortar. York is of Austin and Manor. And I used to just think that weird things were happening, like it's just the luck of the draw. I later, of course, found out that that it was being originated and commenced by several different people. And again, instead of people taking a position and doing the right thing, they just join them. They just join them and shield them from their corruption. And it's just sad. I am out of more than probably close to $3 million in benefits and lost income, lost property aside from the homes. This is going on for 3 years. That includes the money that was already taken. God only knows what other things that they took, and they're like crabs in a bucket. Accessing our banker records, accessing our mortgage loan numbers, accessing and using our mortgage companies against us, our vehicles, the repossessions, without a repossession order. I just can't. I cannot express how, Region 7, Western District Court, U.S. District Courts. It's unbelievable here in Texas. It is unbelievable. You wouldn't want to pull the race card, but somebody's got to do it. It's unbelievable. These were attorneys that I never even met, using a group of people that I've never ever met, using paperwork that was once upon a time blank, but then showed up signed with wet signatures. You had about 5 different people say that Don Grant appeared and signed his home away. 5 different narratives. We don't know. One of them is that it was signed to build the asset, but that's because they charged them to flip the home online. Then you got their attorney who came on and said, oh, it belongs to a trust account from back in 2007. When we going to know this? Because the information that you sent is very contradictory. And I'll leave you with this. PHH Mortgage has a lawsuit with Ken Paxton, Attorney General here in Texas. This has been happening at the same time, right? And so does New Western. So I'm trying to figure that part out. Trying to figure out the lack of registration with Build the Asset, because you have to be supposed to be registered in the state of Texas to do business and to bring a lawsuit. Ain't none of that happening. Why? Because the agencies are helping, and the criminal case, the theft of property, damn sure helps. That's what that's all about. That's what that's about. It's a legal way to be illegal. Yep. So I'll keep you tuned, to what's going on in the updates. I have court tomorrow. I'm doing a fundraising campaign just to help recover. I'm depleted, if I'm being honest. I've been depleted. Then I went to using my credit card. So I don't know where to start.